Hi, dear, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture, I am going to cover about C++, classes in C++. A class in C++ is the building block that leads to object-oriented programming. It is a user-defined data type which holds its own data member and members function, which can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. A C++ class is like a blueprint for an object. Then talk about flow of controller. There one more pitch to the puzzle before you can write an application that actually show some form of intelligence, and that's what I call flow of controller. Normally your starts at the stop and runs down to the button. That's what you have seen in all of. It's so intuitive that we don't normally point it out. The line at the top of the file run and then the next and then the next and then the next, and you see the output come out in that order. But there are keywords in the language that change that. You can say if something it meet, do this stop, and if it's not meet it or not, do that stop. This is the classes way that's the decision can be implemented. If you are writing a game and you have to hit the monster until his hit point gets to 0 in order to get past him, then there are sort of constant check that say if the hit points are still greater than 0, you cannot get past him. Some ifs, not all, have what's called an else. Let's use do one thing or the other. Do things do this if the condition. Do these other things when it's not meant. You would never do both of these things. There are also keywords while and flow for that let you arrange for things to be done over and over again. So if you needed to open a file and process all the data in it, you could have a while loop. Say while there is still more stuff to process some stuff, and it would go around and around and round again. The for loop is a little more structured. I will show you that, but it's excellent for things when you need to do something 5 times or then times 10 times. Let's create an example. This example, you can look data member where ID is 201 and name is Sono Jaiswal.